Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I have an updated eyelash video for you guys. It's basically going to be the same steps that I was doing before in the first video, but this time we are using different glue and a different pair of lashes. So the pair of lashes that I'm using is from a brand called Jemeri. I'm going to show you. It's the 19mm one for anyone wondering. So I'm going to put the link to the lashes down below in my description box for anybody who would like to purchase. We are going to jump straight into the tutorial on how I achieve my DIY semi-permanent individual lashes. Look at how amazing they look, guys. I even put bottom lashes on with it too, which I actually have a TikTok up for that. I used these lashes, these Remy lashes, in the number 116. I know there's no lashes inside it right now, but they were a strip of lashes and I cut them up and stuck them underneath my eyes. So if anybody does want to see the tutorial to that, you can click the link to my TikTok in my bio and you can go onto my TikTok. It should be one of the pinned videos and you can see how I achieved my bottom eyelashes. But nevertheless, let's jump straight into the tutorial on how I achieved this look. I hope you guys enjoy. So you can see how amazing this eye is looking. I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye. Just start off by getting the bonding glue and combing it through all of the lashes. Oh my goodness, guys. I've been wearing lashes for so long that my actual eyelashes are not long anymore. I'm still going to add the bonding glue to the top part of my clusters. Yeah, directly to the top of the lashes, just like that. And then just use your finger to kind of press it in. Make sure you don't apply it to your waterline, only apply it directly to the lashes. So open your eye as wide as you can. Place it on your eyelash and then use your finger or your tweezer and just press that in. Perfect. And you just want to repeat that step all over again until you get to the front of your lashes. So once all the lashes have been applied, you then want to take your lock side of the glue, take the spoolie and press your lashes down and seal the lash glue together. This will help keep your lashes on for longer because this locks in the glue that you applied. So if you know you want your eyelash install to last for at least a good week. I'm not actually sure how long this will last, but I can bet this can definitely give me a 2-week run. And that is with showering and like getting the water in the glue, because apparently this is waterproof. So we're gonna test that out and see. And how are they looking? I know they're looking amazing. I really do love these lashes. These are probably the best lashes I've bought off Amazon. I'm gonna do exactly what the lash texts tell you to do, which is to not get water on your eyes for 48 hours because the glue is still tacky, but the bond is very, very strong. Like the lashes, they're on. The lashes are on, but it's still tacky, so I'm gonna not get any water in it. I'm gonna comment down below after 2 weeks, like an update on how long the lashes held up, because with bonding glue I would usually have these lashes on for a week, but I really think this could stretch for like 2 to 3 weeks, no joke. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial of me doing these lashes. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel so you can see more content like that, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.